Dental schools avoid teaching you the most important skill on purpose, and it is not something clinical. 4 years of dental school, endless lectures on microbiology, pharmacology, fixed and removable, nothing about negotiation or contracts. Because a dentist who actually understands leverage, who can negotiate, who actually knows how a business actually runs, that dentist becomes a problem for everyone sitting above them in the chain. But a 28-year-old sitting on $400,000 of debt, no idea how business works, completely dependent on paycheck, that's controllable. The scariest version of this for this whole system is the one that's financially independent and actually understands how business works in dentistry, because that version chooses patients' hours, what you charge, and when you choose to walk away. The choice is the one thing that the system was never built to give you. That's literally why we started the Lifestyle Practice Student Academy, to teach the stuff that dental school skipped. Let's build the version of you that they were hoping would never come.